Hello everyone. So this control you will find on mostly VW manual transmission. So right now I got it on VW Tiguan. So this is a cruise control which you can use in a manual transmission. So basically how it works, so while you are driving, so usually keep it in off mode. So this one is off and this one is on, so you just keep it on off mode. So while you are driving and you feel that okay, I should turn on my cruise, and you want to maintain a constant speed, and when you reach up to your speed, so you just turn it on like this, and then this set button, and you just press set button, so your speed will be automatically adjusted, and then you can lift your foot from the throttle and from the gas pedal, and you can just have some rest. So if you want to, and your vehicle will be in the constant speed, but just be careful that you have set the actual gear for the particular speed, because it is not it's a manual transmission. And then if you want to increase the speed, you just press it once, so it will go it will start increasing as you press it will start increasing, and then set it again. And if you want to lower the speed, you can just press it like this, and your speed will be lower down, and then you press again and it will be set. And if you happen that you have to cross, or you have to overtake, or there is some disturbance on the road, and you want to cancel the cruise, you just simply you turn it off, and it will cancel. But make sure that you have the proper control on the clutch, and you have the proper control on the brakes. Even while cruising, if you want to lower the speed, if you just press the brakes, and not full brakes, but if you are completely stopping, then you should press clutch also. So if you want to just lower it, so you can just press the brakes, and your car will go down, its speed will increase. So this is a nice feature, that you have a manual transmission and you have a cruise also, especially on freeways, on highways, when you are when there are no disturbances and you want to maintain a constant speed, rather than keeping your feet on the gas pedal. You can just have some rest and enjoy your drive. So that is all. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks.